With that, let's bring in our technical experts to talk about how we can look at the trade setup this morning. Mitessh Thakkar as well as Sudarshan Sukhani both in the house. Gentlemen, good morning and thank you for joining in. So, Mitessh, let me start with you first. I mean, we had a first decent positive close yesterday. It wasn't a sell every rally kind of a market. How would you approach trade this morning? You're on mute, Mitessh.
Now is audible?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Okay. So, good morning. Wish you and the entire team at CNBC and all the viewers a very happy Gudi Padwa New Year. I think, we have been calling for some kind of a bounce back, saying that 16,800 might not break and we might do some base building between 16,800 and 17,150. Eventually recording a bounce back to possibly 17,280, 300 zone. So I think that movement is still on. Today, I think we'll open closer to about 17,150 on the Nifty spot. In case we see follow through post the gap up or the mild gap of opening, then I think longs can be taken with stop at about 17,120. And I think 17,300 will be a short-term trading target. I'm not looking at a big rally or a big up move starting, but this looks like a reversal on the intraday charts, and therefore next 2-3 days could be mildly positively biased. The only worry is that in case you fail at 17,150, we might have one and a half more days spent back. I mean, we'll do that consolidation again for one and a half more days, and then eventually attempt to go
back. Gentlemen, good morning. Sudarshan, what about you? How are you looking at things?
Yeah, good morning. First, my greetings on the first day of Navratra to all viewers. Now, the Nifty was a buying opportunity yesterday, and I suggested we go long. That trade continues. Today also, the Nifty had a narrow range day. It's likely to break on the upside. So there is a long position that is justified. You can buy it on in the morning, or you can buy it on a minor dip. Both are okay. But the problem is the decision, the Fed is going to do something in the evening when we will be closed. So personally, I always stay out of the markets during big news events. So it is for the trader to decide whether they want to carry this position tomorrow or keep it intraday. But the trade is to be long, and that applies to the Bank Nifty, which is outperforming and on the verge of a breakout. The same problem of an overnight exposure comes there. You have to manage that on your own, but I would be long.
All right, got that. Gentlemen, just stay on. We'll take a very quick break. We'll come back and get a couple of trading ideas going as well in terms of specific stocks. We'll also have the pre-opening rates. So back in just a moment. Also, a conversation coming up with Abhinesh Roy of Nuvama Institutional Equities. We'll talk about how to focus on the FMCG